Here is how you can conduct land search for that land that you want to buy right here in the city of Enugu. So today I'll be explaining to you how you can conduct a land search to verify if the land is genuine or not. Now, why do you conduct land search? You conduct land search first to know if the land is not under government acquired land. Then number two, to know if the land is not under any family issues, community issues, or even court cases. So this is why you verify land, so that you will not end up buying a land that is under the government acquisition or under encumbrances. So here are two ways you can verify if a land is genuine, or how you can conduct your land search right here in Enugu. Number one, if the land has a C of O, what you need to do is to ask for the search details of that particular C of O, and then you take it to the land registry and verify the C of O details there. Once they input the details of that C of O, it's going to bring out the C of O and every other details about that land for you, and you get to see it yourself. Also, ensure that the person that is selling to you is the actual person that is supposed to sell that land to you. Now, how do you verify that one? What you need to do is ask for the documents that the person used in buying that land. So if his name or her name is on that document, then you know that he or she is the rightful person to sell the land to you. All right, so these are the two ways you can verify a C of O land. Then if the land is not registered, how you can verify is also in two ways, or in two steps. Number one is ensuring that the layout plan of the land is registered. So if a land is registered, it means that it is free from government interest, because the registration passed through so many processes, and one of the processes is that the people working at the land registry will go on the land and verify if the land is not under government acquired land. So it means that if a land is registered, or if a layout plan of a land is registered, it means that it is free from government interest and it is free for you to buy. So what you can do, ask if the layout plan is registered, request for the layout plan number, you take it to the Ministry of Lands, or especially to the Gazette unit, and then verify if the layout plan is registered. So once you find it there, then you know that you can go ahead to purchase that particular property. Another way you can verify is using your survey plan. This is where you take the survey plan of that particular plot, especially if it is an individual land. Take it to the land registry as well and verify it if the survey plan is registered. Now, if it is not registered, you may not find it there. Also, if a layout plan is not registered, you will not find it at the land registry. So once a land doesn't have a C of O, the only way you can verify if it is genuine or if it is under government acquisition is by taking the layout plan or the survey plan number and verifying it at the land registry. Then the second thing you need to do is to verify the people selling to you if they also have the right to sell that land to you. All right, so that you will not end up buying from a wrong person. Because I've seen cases where people that doesn't have a right to sell a particular property went ahead to sell a particular property, and at the end of the day, another group emerges on the land, and the buyer now had to settle that new group. So if you don't want to buy from, except you have the money to settle two groups that will emerge on a particular land, you can go ahead. But if you don't want to encounter that, ensure you verify the people selling to you. Ask them questions if they're the actual person, or you work with a property lawyer or an experienced real estate agent like me, because before I bring property to you, I must ensure that I've seen the documents of the property, and I ensure that the right people selling are the actual people that we are supposed to buy from. So these are ways you can, conduct a land search on a land, because over time you must be hearing people saying verify the land, conduct search on the land, but you don't actually know the steps to take. But with this video, I believe that you must know, or you will know the right things or the right step to take when you want to verify the next land that you want to buy. So this is all I have to share with you today. I share this kind of information so that you will make safe, secured, and profitable real estate investment right here in the city of Enugu. If you need more guide on how you can buy land safely right here in the city of Enugu, you can reach out to me on the number showing on your screen. Call or WhatsApp me on 081 4704 2804 and I will guide you through.